So you can see here that I got 5 objects, and if I were to drag it in front of each other, you can see that one is in top of another. Let's say I want this to be on top. Simply dragging and keeping it here does not do the trick. You can see that this is the cube that is right in the front. So what I want to do is I want to send this back. I want this at the front. So what I can do is I can right click, and over here you can see that order is an option. Or what you can do is you can go into arrange and click on order, and you have 2 options. The same option is available here as well. So you can bring it to front or bring forward. So let me just click on bring it to front. So once I do that, it comes forward just like that. It comes directly forward. I'm just going to overlap this just like this so that we can see it much more clearly. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the backmost object. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go around into order and click on bring to front. The shortcut is listed right here as well. If I were to click on it, you can see that it immediately pops up on the topmost place. So if I were to keep it here, you can see that it is at the top. So I can go over here, right click, and I can click on order. And if I were to click on bring forward, what happens is that it just comes up one step forward. I can right click and do the same again. So I can go into order, click on bring forward, and you can see that it is directly forward, just like this. I can right click on it, click on order, and if I were to click on send backward, you can see that it goes back one step. And if I were to click on go backwards, then it'll go right at the back. So I'm just going to go around on to order and click on send backward, and it goes back, as you can see. So what I can do is I can right click on this one, and then I can click on order, and if I were to click on send to back, it goes directly at the back, as you can see, just like that. And that is how the ordering of the objects work inside of PowerPoint. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.